Harley-Davidson's going to the wild, wild west.
Better than being in the office, that's for sure.
It feels like 3.8, so that'll be a pretty fair reason why I'm freezing.
Just found a really cool railway crossing, so I just want to go and check it out. So awesome. How good's that?
Love this stuff. See, when you're born in the city you miss all this beautiful stuff. Look at this old station. I just wonder whether people used to actually come here and get the train to work and stuff like that every morning. It's obviously abandoned now and closed down. But yeah, it's quite spectacular. So glad they've kept it too. How cool is that? See? Exploring.
Hey guys, sorry to jump in. I just wanted to point out you're about to watch the train station that I fell in love with. And I only got some of the footage that I wanted on the first visit. So you'll notice the weather change, blue sunny day, and then some grey overcast. The grey overcast was actually the return trip. So I actually stopped back in, reshot it on the way back. So I wanted to capture the train station in different lights. It was just such a centerpiece for me. Maybe I didn't play with enough choo-choo trains when I was a kid, I'm not sure. But hope you're enjoying the series, and there's more to come.
Well, that was really awesome. Old railway, got some pretty good drone footage up there. Something you don't see every day. That's why I love my road trips. Just dropped my glove. Legendary effort, Dino. Just try and tuck this stupid fucking thing in. Glove went for a fly. There it is, right there. going to Mudgee. So let's see where we can go and get some lunch and a coffee.
That's lunch. Ham and cheese milk. Yum.
Quick sandwich, coffee, defrost. And we'll go and pull up stumps in Dubbo tonight. Hour and a half from here. With stops and stuff like that, probably 2 hours. It's just on about 3 o'clock, so I should be there around about 5. And it's going to be a chilly ride into Dubbo. Let's hit the road. Beautiful country town, this. I love getting out on these country roads. A lot less cars, trucks, open spaces. It's the best. Heading into Dubbo now, and then I'll have to book some accommodation to stay for tonight. Should be able to get my hands on some 6-star resort with its own beach. Made it into Dubbo! Woo! So I've done about 450 k's today, which is a reasonable day in the saddle, and yeah, looking forward to having a hot shower. Don't even know where I'm staying yet, so I'll have to pull over and arrange all of that just as the weather's starting to really drop off. So yeah, it worked out really well. Tomorrow I'll hit it on to Burke. It's about another 400 odd k's to Burke from Dubbo. Just booked the hotel or motel.
Let's go and check in. How are you, mate?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
Just
going?
checking in.
And the name?
Dean.
Oh.
Fuck, because he wasn't grumpy. Let's go and check this room out. It's cute. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Mini bar. Plenty of bugs. Hello. Nice view.
Overtired, I'm not sleeping well.
So, guts honest truth of it all is I feel like shit today. Pulled up into Narromine, narrow mind. A few people I know that should be living in that town. Stop in Adelaide for lunch. That's pretty doable. If I'm doing 1,000k an hour, I should be there in an hour and 20 minutes. One's on my toolbox, one's got the sign. There's bugs and shit all over it. This guy here is actually still alive. Mate, how did you die? iPhone 11.